in this video, I will review a film entitled The Pursuit of Happiness. So, The Pursuit of Happiness is a 2006 American biographical drama film directed by Gabriel Machino and produced by Will Smith, Steve Tix, James Lasseter, Todd Black, and Jason Blumenthal. The screenplay was written by Steve Conrad based on the book The Pursuit of Happiness by Chris Gardner. The film was released on December 15, 2006. It falls under several genres including family, drama, children's film, action, and melodrama. The film has received several awards including MTV Movie and TV Award for Best Breakthrough Performance 2007, Teen Choice Award for Choice Movie Chemistry 2007, ASCAP Film and Television Music Award for Top Box Office Film 2007. Uh, the Pursuit of Happiness tells the true story of Chris Gardner, a salesman in San Francisco in 1981 who is struggling to survive. Chris tries to make a living by selling a medical device called a bone density scanner, but the product is difficult to sell because many doctors consider it not essential. Financial instability begins to affect his home life. His wife, Linda, becomes hopeless and decides to leave Chris, who is then left to raise their young son, Christopher Jr., on his own. In this situation, Chris seeks new opportunities for a better life. An opportunity arises when he learns that prestigious brokerage firm Dean Ritter Reynolds is offering an internship program. Unfortunately, the internship is unpaid and only one person will be selected for a full-time position. Despite this, Chris applies, hoping it could be a way out of his hardship. During the internship, life becomes even harder for him. He is evicted from his apartment due to unpaid rent and becomes homeless. With his sons, he moves from place to place, including shelters and even a public restroom in a train station. Despite overwhelming pressure, Chris continues to show up to the internship every day with full dedication, trying to remain professional even though he often hasn't showered and owns only one suite. Throughout the program, Chris demonstrates an exceptional work ethic. He develops unique strategies to be more efficient in contacting potential clients, not wasting a single moment on unnecessary things. He also takes time to study the stock market on his own, without neglecting his role as a father. And all the hardship do not stop him from fighting for a better future. The climax occurs when he is called in by his superiors, and at the end of the internship, in a tense moment, Chris is finally informed that he has been hired as a full-time stockbroker. This becomes one of the most emotional scenes in the film, where Chris walks out of the office in tears not just because he got a job, but because all his long, painful efforts and have finally paid off. The film ends by explaining that Chris Gardner eventually founded his own brokerage firm, Gardner Rich & Co., and went to become a successful millionaire. The film is not just about achieving material success, but also resilience, parental love, and the strength to never give up, even in the most difficult circumstance. Through Chris' journey, the film delivers a power message that happiness is not something that simply arrives. It is something that must be pursued. And in the Pursuit of Happiness, the character of Chris Gardner undergoes a powerful and touching transformation. At first, he is an ordinary man burdened by financial problems and career failures. Yet he still strives to be a responsible father. When his life hits rock bottom, abandoned by his wife and becoming homeless with his son, Chris doesn't give up. Instead, in the depths of hardship, he grows to a stronger, more disciplined, and determined individual. He learns to work smarter, manage his time efficiently, and maintain his brain of his spirit for the sake of his son's future. By the end of the story, Chris evolves into a person who is not only successful financially but also emotionally and morally, proving that perseverance and parental love can overcome any obstacle. Uh, the direction and cinematography in this film work subtly yet powerfully. Instead of relying on flashy visual, the film takes a more realistic and emotional approach, deeply supporting the story of struggle and hope. And then the sound and music in this film are supportive rather than dominant. The music is used sensitively to enhance the emotional tone, while the sound design is kept as natural as possible to make the audience feel immersed in Chris Gardner's real-life world. The result is a touching and grounded impression. And then The Pursuit of Happiness explores themes of struggle, perseverance, parental love, and hope. Chris Gardner's story shows that hard work, patience, and belief can lead someone out of the worst circumstance towards success. The father-son relationship is the emotional core of the film, portraying sincere love amid poverty. The film also offers social commentary on economic inequality, while emphasizing that dreams can still be achieved through relentless effort. Its central message is clear: never give up on your dream, even the world tells you otherwise. And in my opinion, The Pursuit of Happiness is an incredibly inspiring and emotionally moving film. Its story is simple yet full of meaning, depicting the harsh realities of life without losing a sense of hope. Will Smith's performance as Chris Gardner is powerful and convincing. He successfully portrays a father's struggle in a sincere and deeply human way. This film is not just about achieving success, but holding on to dignity and love, even when everything seems lost. Overall, it teaches that happiness do not come easily, it must be fought for, and that's what makes the film so touching and meaningful. And then for the conclusion, The Pursuit of Happiness is an inspiring film that portrays the true struggle of a single father, Chris Gardner, as he overcomes poverty and life's hardship for the sake of his son's future. Through emotional story about perseverance, parental love, and hope, Chris' character transforms from a man in despair into someone strong and successful, both morally and financially, with themes of struggle, social inequality, and unwavering determination. The film delivers a powerful message: true happiness must be fought for, and no dream is impossible if pursued with effort and belief. Thank you.